Good morning, children. Today I am going to tell you about magic. Yes, children. What is magic, children? Magic is a very powerful word. Yes, something that makes us happy, something that is very wonderful. So, for example, if your parents says, let's go to see a magic show, how excited we become, right? That is the power of magic, that we have a smile on our face and it gets us feeling very happy and energetic, and we feel very fantastic. Yes, let's go and see the magic show. So that is what I am going to tell you today about magic. But what we are going to do today is I am not going to show you the abracadabra magic, but I am going to tell you about the magic words. Yes, children, we are going to see the 5 magic words today, and I want my children to use those magic words. So the first one says thank you. Yes, children, very important magic word that brings smile on everybody's face. So when your mama gives you a present or when your papa gives you a present, you should always say thank you. When you are playing with your friends, you should say thank you. When your mother is taking care of you when you are sick, then you should always say thank you. Thank you is a very special magic word, children, and we should use it in our day-to-day life, not just with our parents, with our friends, but with everybody who is helping us to achieve something in our daily life. For example, the maid that is cleaning your house, see, she's keeping the house so clean for you so that you don't get any smell. So say thank you for her. The garbage man who comes and picks up your garbage, say thank you to him. Okay, say thank you to your grandparents when they give you something or when they do something for you. So thank you is a magic word, and I want you to use this magic word as frequently as you can. In fact, all the magic words that I am going to tell you today, you should use them in your conversation and see how happy you are and how happy you will make others feel. Okay, and when we say thank you to our parents, they have a smile on their face. When we say thank you to our friends, they have a smile on their face. So now whenever they share their things with you, their toys or everything with you, you should always say thank you to them. Okay, you should always also share your things with them. So it is always a vice versa. So when they give you their toys or chocolates or pencil, then you should say thank you to them. So thank you is the magic word, right? So use this magic word now whenever you talk to people or whenever somebody does something for you. Okay, and not just to your family but to everybody who is around you, right? And when you do that, children, you will see that you will have a feeling of very very nice and happy feeling. So your day will go very nice and very happy because you are saying thank you to everyone. The second magic word is please. Yes, I know my children use this word please frequently, but yes, it is also a very important word, children. So please say when you want something, not just to your friends or teachers or parents, but everybody. So if you want a pencil from your friend, say please. If you want an ice cream, say please. Okay, if you want somebody to do something for you, then you should always say please, can you do this for me? Please, may I take your pencil? Please, can you play with me? Yes, so you should use please very frequently in your word. When you ask somebody's permission, when you take somebody's permission, then say the other person will feel very happy and they will never say no to you. They will do things for you and you should also do things for them. So please is also a very important magic words, and all these magic words, children, will help you to become a good human being. So when you grow up and when you keep using these magic words, see how people will become your friend and they will enjoy your company. The next magic word is sorry. Yes, children, very important. Sorry is a word when, and it is a very very powerful word, children. It takes a lot of guts to say sorry. When you do a mistake, you should say sorry, right? So, yes, and not just to only when you do a mistake. Sometimes we say sorry for big mistakes also. For example, if you forgot to do your homework, say sorry, I'll do it next time. If you by mistake broke a glass in the house, say sorry to mom, sorry mom. If you push somebody, say I am sorry. So, if you are doing anything which is unintentional, you should always say sorry and make sure that you don't repeat that mistake again, right? Things happen. By mistake you can drop something, or by mistake you can push somebody, but then always remember to say sorry. Just don't push somebody and move ahead. No, wait, say sorry, and see, when you say sorry, you will have a smile on that person's face, and that is very important. So, what we can do best as children, we can give somebody a smiling face. So, make sure that every day your aim has to be that you have to make people happy, and when you make others happy, you yourself are happy. Okay. So, use this magic word, I am sorry. See, in the picture also I have shown you that somebody's friend has fallen down, so he is saying I am sorry. So, don't do things intentionally. Okay. Don't just push somebody just for a joke. Okay. If you are angry, just don't throw things here and there, right? Okay. The next magic word is excuse me. Yes, children, we don't use this word much, but then we should start using it. Excuse me. If you want to talk to somebody, say excuse me, can I talk to you? If you see two people are talking and if you want to say something, then you should say excuse me, can I interrupt? Okay. So, use this word whenever you want to say something to your friends, to your family, to the teachers or anybody. Okay. If you are in a queue and if you want to move ahead, say excuse me, just don't push somebody and go. No, say excuse me. If somebody is talking on the phone and you have something urgent to share, then say excuse me, can I say something, and then say. Okay. That is again a very, very important magic word, and it is also known as courtesy word, children, that it is bad manners to interrupt. So, always use excuse me and then put forward your point, or then say something whatever you have in your mind. Okay. So, try using this word also when you talk to somebody. So, for example, mom, dad is talking and you want to say something, say excuse me mom or excuse me dad, and then say whatever you want to tell them. Okay. Just don't go and interrupt them, that listen to me. No, don't do that. Okay. Now, again a very beautiful magic word is welcome. Yes, welcomes means that you are again you are saying thank you, and you in return you say welcome. That means you have taken that thank you, you have accepted that thank you. So, whenever somebody gives you something, or whenever you give to somebody and they say thank you, make sure we say welcome to them. Okay. That means I will do this thing again for you, so don't worry. Okay. If you help somebody and they say thank you to you, then in return you should say you're welcome or welcome. That is again a very soft gesture to say that I like you and you are my friend and I will do this thing again for you. Okay. So, if you give a present to your father or a gift to your sister and they say thank you so much, then you should always say you're welcome. Okay. If your maid is doing something and if you help and she says thank you, then you should say welcome to her. Okay. So, keep using this magic word and see, you will feel so happy from inside. Yes, children, as I said, magic is all about power, and these words are very powerful, and when we start using these words in our communication, our life changes. We become a totally different person, and we will make so many friends because using of these magic words. Okay. So, I hope you like the pictures and you like the magic words, and I am sure you will use it. Okay. I will see you in the next class with one more story this time. Bye bye. Take care and keep using these words.